Good morning, children. Today, let's do editing part, children, of our lesson. I hope all of you are well. Yes, children. Now, see, what do you mean by editing? Editing means you have done a work and you have brought some changes in it. You have to get some changes in it. So, in from examination point of view, editing means some mistakes will be given for you in the sentences and you have to identify the wrong thing and write the correct thing. Okay, so you see the paragraph, children. Read the following passage. There is an error in each sentence. Identify and edit it. It were a hot summer day. Is everything correct in the sentence, children? It was a hot summer day. Underline was and write where. Many animals of the forest assembled in and near the pond. Everything is correct, children? No. Many animals. Underline animal and write animals. All of them were relaxing and talking. Underline talk and write talking. Just then, a crow came flying and sat to a branch. Will we sat to a branch or will we sit on a branch? Yes, it will be on a branch. You have to underline to and write down on a branch. And rabbit saw it. Yes, a rabbit saw it. So in your notebook, what you have to write down, children? Write today's date and write heading as editing and write what is correct. Don't copy the wrong question. Just write what is correct. It was a hot summer day. Full stop. Many animals of the forest assembled in and near the pond. All of them were relaxing and talking. Just then, a crow came flying and sat on a branch. A rabbit saw it. This one you have to write it down in your book. One more I am going to give you, children. You have to do it on your own. And answers of those editing passage you have to send it to me for correction. Only send that thing, children, what I am asking you to write on your own. See this, children? See the editing passage? You can either take screenshot or pause it or do whatever you like. It is up to you. Akbar was on his way for the dining room. Hirachand was brought to him. At the same time, a messenger came to say that the queen was ill. Akbar left Hirachand and spent the whole morning by his sick wife. By the time he returned to a dining room, his meal was cold. He ordered a fresh meal. It took so long to get the meal ready that Akbar began to felt ill. You have to find out the mistakes and edit the passage and write down the passage in your notebook and underline what you have edited, children. Okay? Now let us continue with the study skills. All of you see page number 85. See, children, on page number 85, study skills is there. Look at the picture and read the details given below. Alert! Please take a good long look at these children. You might have seen them somewhere. So many pictures are there, see, children. Who are those children? They are missing children. These children have been missing for a long time. If you have seen any of them, please report to the nearest police station or contact us at National Center for Missing Children. 502 Chetak Center, 12 by 2 R&T Mark, Indore, 452001 MP, India. Phone number is also given 0731251929. So this is a report of missing children. Now after seeing this picture on page number 85, children, you should answer the question. I will just give you the hint. You should be able to write the answers to the questions and send me the answers. Who are these children? These are missing children. Name the organization issued this alert about missing children. What is the name of the organization? National Center for Missing Children. National Center for missing children, right? Then mention few instances where children go missing. Where are the places where children go missing? Children, you all tell me. In exhibitions, at railway stations, yes, at railway stations, and in theaters, public places, in parks. Okay, wherever public places are there, children go missing from those places, near temples, near dargahs. Yes. What are the details required to trace the missing child? Now a child is missing, children. Now what are the details we have to provide? We have to provide a photo, their age, okay, their physical appearance, how they appear, and from the place where they have been missing. All these details we have to write. How many you know, you write it on your own, children. What is our duty if we find missing children? If you find any missing children, what will you do, children? We have to report it to the nearest police station. We have to report it to the nearest police station. So, once again, properly study the study skills, children. This picture, it is on page number 85 in your textbook. After seeing this, you have to answer and send me the answers of editing passage, what you are doing, and the answers of these children.